Greetings, everyone. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and welcome aboard the 2018 42 Galeon Fly. You see, here we are in the salon. Very nice layout. Got a TV. Comes up right here. Dinette. This can drop down. Door goes in there, and you have a nice area to lay down. As we move forward up to the galley, this is the 3 stateroom edition. So it's a raised galley with the staterooms down below. You have a refrigerator and a cooktop, microwave, and a freezer. Storage areas, lots of storage on this boat. Nice sink. Up here at the helm, this boat does have yacht controller. Makes operating it very easy. Raymarine electronics, Raymarine autopilot, bow thruster control, Volvo Penta, diesel motor. And go down. Like I said, it's a 3 stateroom, 2 heads. You have the master, another head, and 2 rooms. Coming back up to the helm. And next we'll go outside. Here we are in the cockpit in the stern of the 42 Fly. This section here, so we have the ability for a yacht tender. Little thing to go on here. This will drop down at the lower end of the water. You have a ladder there. And then this is a really nice feature here. These become steps. As this drops down, the steps come into play. Makes it easy getting in and out of the water. So that's a nice feature in this seat floor. As we come up, here, this can move forward and aft and the back. So if you're out in the water having a good time, you swing this forward. Watch everybody having fun. Do have a transom beam here. Just lift up, spin it out, and drop it down. Next we'll go up to the fly. Here we are on the 42, the upper fly section. You have the upper helm controls. Same thing, everything that's down below is up here. Seating, this gets a cushion on it, so you have additional seating here. Little storage areas here. Then we'll move back here to the upper dinette. Lots of lounge seating here. Everybody can hang out and have a good time while the captain's running the boat. Go up and take a look at the bow. So there are cushions that fill in the bow, even over the top of the window. You can lay down, get some sun up there. Nice day. Today's not a beautiful day, but lots of times it is. This has been the 2018 Galeon 420 Fly. I'm Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and you can reach me regarding this or any other boat that we sell at 609-926-0600 or www.marinemax.com.